What's up, Dope Chaser? This is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. I want to share with you how to get derogatory information removed off your credit report. A few days ago on social media, I shared that a collection was added to my credit report, and I sent out a dispute letter to the company, and I also reported them to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. And really quick, I want to show you the results that I got from that particular dispute. Check this out. So basically, to make this video worthwhile, I only have a minute. Let's skip all the way down to this line. IC System has submitted a deletion request to the credit reporting agencies. As noted, we are no longer handling collection of this account. If you are someone who is struggling with removing derogatory information off your credit report, and you want to learn the strategies and tactics that we use in our credit repair business to help our clients get results, again, my name is Jason White. Click the link associated to this video and let me teach you how to do this. I'm out. Peace.